Hello everyone, welcome back to Osmosis FX, and this time around I want us to look at US30 together. What should be our expectation for US30 and what trend we are in on US30. As seen like this, we are on an uptrend on US30, and this is the last demand. This is the last demand. This is the last demand. So this is the 12th month demand. Right to be in the center. It took out this low and took out this high. So price didn't come back to it. We also have a rally based rally. This is also a 12 months. Base, and price came back into this. Price came back to this. This is unmitigated. So what do we have here? We have a break of structure here. We also have a break of structure here. And we have a liquidity grab here, or a stop hunt. Yeah, you can call it a stop hunt, liquidity grab, anyone you feel like calling it. So this liquidity was grabbed, and we have a change of structure. Then this OB has not been tested. So this seems to be a liquidity, but we have a rally based rally formation, which price came back here and tapped into this 12-month OB, and we have this as the next demand because this is the person that came down to plug in. This is the person that came down to plug in the demand here. So we have this as the next demand, and presently price tapped already into the demand, and we have the next person here, which is the 12-month demand also. So this will be our next demand. This 12-month demand will be our next demand. So if this one should close bullish or close back in here, we should still look for buy setups. So until I see that one of this is being taken, then I can have a chop. Until I see that, then I'm still bullish. So now looking at this, I'm still bullish. So if I take, for example, let me say this is the high. Oh, sorry. This is the low, and this is the high. Price didn't tap into this zone, but price tapped into. So our next profit target will be So our next profit target will be here. I have here to be my next profit target. So I have two zones to be my next profit target. How can I make this zone? Okay, both zones are fine. So I would like those zones to show on all time frame. So I can remove this. So let's go down to 6 months, which is the next immediate, and still we have the same setup. Still we have the same setup. Okay, so the same setup. So my view is still bullish. I'm still bullish heading out for this and this, and I still have this unmitigated, so I can now put a liquidity here. From here you can see sell side liquidity, and I'll lock this down, and I can also lock this. So if I should take out this low, then I should be looking out for this. I should be looking out for this low to also be taken. So let's go down to weekly. We've dealt with everything on monthly, so on weekly, I want to see price still taking highs. I'm interested in buying still. So these two zones. So what do I have? I have, this is the last week high, and this is the last week low. Hello, go and pass that out. Just bro. So I have this to be week low. And I have this to be week high. So in these two zones, this is where we have presently, and I'm gonna lock it down because I actually want to see the week high taken. Okay, so I actually want to see the week high taken. So let's go down to see all the zones we have in here. Okay, so we have a demand here, we have a demand here, we have a demand here. We have demands in different zones. We have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. So probably I like those demands, which from the weekly zones. Okay,
Yes, okay. Your things are complete, right?
we have this, we have this, and presently we are in this. So since we are in this zone, I expect to see a bullish intent inside that zone, and that zone fails, we'll probably look for any of these zones to complete the job. So let's go down to daily. So on daily, now, I have this last demand on daily. She should pass the other side.
Okay. Go through.
Open it.
Go through the other side.
Open it.
What's her finger? She's don't worry. For Jonathan and David.
So this is the daily amount. And inside here I want to see some reactions. Good afternoon. Turn on the gen. Turn on the gen. You don't have to turn it on now. The gen? Yeah. Okay. So inside our daily zone, what am I expecting? If I want to take this high out, I have to have a change of character here first. So I have a lockdown. So for my daily, this is daily of 4 hour. Oh, so this is 4 hour. Then go down to my 15 minutes. So until this got broken before I can look for until this gets broken, then I can look for buy setups. This daily. This is 4 hours. So we're in the 4 hours zone now. We are seeing a set of formation. This is W pattern. Price already broke out, so we have a rejection and rejection. So if price breaks out of this, we should have a retest around this side, then we should go long. So we just wait for this to break out of this. If Forex speaks well and we break out of this, then next week we'll start the buy leg on US30 and we'll take out this eye.
I thought it was a key.
And target.
It's a different type of dance. I don't know what I'm supposed to
is enough.
It.
We'll target this high here, which is on the daily. Alright, I wrap it up from there. So wait for this to happen. And we get a retracement back. Then we'll tag in along with multiple entries down to where are they? These guys. tag onto this space, so find more entries until we get here. Okay, see you guys, bye for now.